So since today is a mild day weather-wise, I decided to clean up my wood stove and my chimney. I got the wood stove done. It needed cleaned bad. It had a bunch of soot and dust. So I got all that wiped off, and I got the glass door cleaned off. And for those of you who might wonder, I cleaned the glass door with a wet paper towel and the ash from the stove. Dip it in the ash and then wipe it off, and then take a dry paper towel and wipe everything off. It took all the dirt right off, so now it's crystal clear. And for the outside of the stove, I used 2 parts water and 1 part vinegar, and then wiped everything down. That's what shined up that caddy piece of metal on the top. But now I need to do the chimney. And to kind of explain how things are set up down here in my basement, this is our main basement where the wood stove is. Now, on the other side of this wall is the chimney. And I just took out the pipe that goes from the stove to the chimney. And I was trying to stick this brush up through there, but it's too much of an angle. So what I'm going to have to do is go up top and push everything down. And then to clean out the bottom, I have to go in a crawl space, and I'll take you outside and show you where I'm going to have to go do that. And for that, I'm going to suit up because it's pretty nasty in there. So let's go ahead and get up on top of the roof. Alright, I'm on top of my roof right now. We're going to grab the spotlight over there and climb up the ladder and look down the chimney. And then we'll get the brush out and knock whatever's in it down. So let's go check it out. I'll tell you what, that chimney looks pretty clean. I had guys out here not last year but the year before, and they said it was pretty much spotless then, so the wood we're burning is good. I'm still going to run a brush down it anyway, and then we'll go down the bottom and clean up all the mess. Well, lucky for me, my chimney didn't need cleaned because my brush isn't big enough. I didn't know what size it was, so I'm going to measure it while I'm up here and order a new one. I was able to knock a little bit off the sides, but other than that, I'm going to go down. It looks like there's a mess down there at the bottom, so I'm going to clean that up. But first, while I'm up here, I'm going to put this cover on that I bought and put that over top the chimney. That way rainwater stays out and it won't pack all that mess down at the bottom. And I'm going to clean the gutters out while I'm up here too. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So now I'm going to move on to the fun part. Let me show you where I have to go. Okay, so the chimney runs down the inside of the house, and the base of it is in this crawl space. And at the bottom of the chimney in this crawl space is a little trap door, and that's where I'm going to shovel all the extra ash out. Let me see it back there. There's the door. There's a little shovel right there. I'm going to shovel it into a bucket and bring it out of here. I'll see if I can get the camera in there. It's just going to be nasty. But let's get this over with. when I first opened up that door, I thought this is going to be bad, but it wasn't that bad. It filled up one bucket. So at least that job's done for a while. So today turned out to be a really good day. I got more done than what I thought, and that does not happen too often. But since I got this done, if I can have a good day of cutting wood tomorrow, my plans are to go sit in a tree stand on Thursday. I have a 10-point hanging around. The big 9-point that I had a video of earlier, he's disappeared. He's not showing up on trail cams right now. Maybe he'll show up Thursday. Either way, if a doe comes in front of me, I'm going to shoot it because we need the meat. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for all this stuff, and Happy New Year.